Hey guys, it's Christina. So I wanted to talk to you guys about upcoming Black Friday and how you can make some money while shopping online. I have done these videos in the past on my channel, but I wanted to do a refresher because Black Friday is coming up. So you all might remember Ebates that I talked about for years and years and years. If I go in the top corner right here, big fat check history, you can see right there how much I have made over a lifetime just using this website. I mean, it is over years and years, but I mean, if you can make some money online while shopping for something you're going to be doing anyway, why not, right? So with Black Friday, Cyber Monday coming up, we're all going to be shopping online, especially if things are closing, like here in LA. All the malls are closing, the restaurants are closing this Wednesday for another 3 weeks or maybe longer. So nothing's going to be open. We're all going to be shopping online. I'm actually going later today with my friend to the mall. She's going to pick up some things for her family for the holidays because literally everything's closing. So basically the way it works is if you're shopping online, say any store, you go up here to the search bar, you type in like say Sephora, right? Like it can be anything. It doesn't have to be makeup and fashion. It can be like a laptop from Apple. It can be Walmart. It can be anything you want, furniture, like things you're gonna buy already, like toilet paper, I don't know, whatever. Anything Sephora, like for example, you scroll down here, it shows you right now is 4% back. We'll click on that. So the percentages vary. So especially for the holidays, they take the percentages up, which is amazing. So sometimes you can get like 10-15% back. So if you spend $100, say it's like you're going to a Victoria's Secret store and you spend $100 and at the cash register, the cashier is like, here's $10 back. Amazing, right? So it's like 10% back. So this is basically how that works. So once I clicked on Sephora, not only do you get all of these coupons down here that you can use, and all of them are valid. It's not like those websites where you have to like look for a coupon, and a lot of them are not even valid anymore. So you do get some coupons on here that let you get like some freebies or certain items on discounts, like if they're having a sale. But besides that, you click on this red button here. It's the same for all the stores, and it will take you to whatever website you're about to shop on, right? So here, so it doesn't save any of your info on Ebates, right? You just go to your website and just shop like you normally would shop, buy whatever it is. But since Sephora knows that you came from Ebates, they referred you, Sephora will give Ebates a cut, and in turn, Ebates will give you a cut. So at the end of the quarter, they pay you out. So you can get paid by check, PayPal, whatever you want. I just do PayPal. And like I said, I do have a big fat check history. That's literally just how easy it is. So I will link Ebates for you guys in the info box, because if you go through my link, you can also get $10 off your first purchase. More free shit, you know, who doesn't like that? So it's very convenient. And there are a few other websites that I use for shopping online and getting money back. So I will link all of them for you guys in the info box. Do you hear these planes? Like, it's so annoying. This is LA. But basically, yeah, that's how it works. It's very easy, very straightforward, to the point. But I would definitely sign up, and you can do this year round. They give you money back, but during the holidays, especially like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the percentages go up. So why not use it for things you're gonna buy anyway? You know, you're gonna buy presents for the holidays. You're gonna buy, even like I said, everyday things like furniture, toilet paper, whatever, groceries, like anything. You might as well just save some money, get some money back. Why not? So that is it. I just wanted to remind you guys, since the holidays are coming up, save some money. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on Instagram. I always post little stories of what I'm shopping and getting discounts on. So check me out on there. It's hrxJQ. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.